Good morning, everyone. We, the students of Kandamangalam HSS, are here to present our innovative idea of modern machine with advanced net deployment system and sensor integration. Let me introduce my teammates. This is Viksit Bharat and this is Arthur and myself, Chemflix. This is our prototype. This prototype enables by our fishermen to work with less effort and more income and better safety. Fishing is one of the main livelihoods for civilians. However, fishermen, high manpower cost, safety issues, and poor navigation. We over innovation aims to aims to be efficient. We propose a design where only three fishermen can manage. The fishboat can the fishboat thereby increasing the number of hatching boats and overall productivity.
Our smart fishing boat use AI, GPS, and sonar sensor. The AI system manages the weight distribution to prevent sinking and improve safety. The GPS help us to track our location and reduce the missing cases. And the sonar sensor detect the density of fish and optimize fuel efficient to be to by guiding in shortest route. Our smart fishing boat empowers the fisherman to reduce accident and increase productivity and use technology to use technology for sustainable future.
So this is our product, modern fishing boat with advanced net deployment system and sensor integration. Thanks for hearing our presentation.